How to update your name servers at Dotster. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through Dotster and starts from their homepage. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's nameserver settings. Click the account login link here to sign into your account. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Click the Domain Central icon. Click the domain you wish to manage. Then click the Name Servers option here. Click Use Different Name Servers, then enter the new name servers and click Save. That's it! The domain name's name servers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's nameserver settings at Dotster.